on the service area for Gracel. Manapat serving or setting it up to her teammate right there. Quick hit, and that is good by Jaya Peñaverde. Still, the one who gives them the energy for today is Jaya Peñaverde. Try to scoop one in. It is a check ball point. Good service by Nikki. Set by Abulencia. That is no good. Ball will be sent to the other side. Abulencia. Running spike right there by Garavillas. But beautiful read by the defense of Saints Co. That is a good block by Jaya Peñaverde. So the matchup between Peñaverde and Garavillas. Good sign here, keeping the game close. Good read right there by Dana. A point for Saint Scholastica, and we are now tied at 9. Marga Manganip answering that time. Try to take the lead here. Let's see if Gracel will do something about it. It's set. Middle hit. And that is good. A point again for Saint Scholastica, and they now have the lead. The energy here inside the Meralco gym, sobrang taas. Special. Proving to be the difference maker here. That is a good block. Once again. Peñaverde. Saint Scholastica here now having a 2-point lead.
Binigyan lang ng magandang laban. Magaling
Good service.
yung kalaban nila.
That is